This video is a long time coming and I'm finally getting a chance to install the LCI bonnet onto the E90. Without further ado guys, let's get started. Now to get started and remove the bonnet, all it is are these little bolts over here, as well as to remove the shocks off the bonnet itself. Same with the other side. Give me a power, this little grout strap over here, so this needs to come out. Just do be careful about this nut so you don't drop it. And yeah, then all it means is a little bit elbow strength and we can get the bonnet off. If you need to transfer any hardware, I suggest that you do so. Like the grills are going to be coming off from this one here, as well as the badge, because I'm going to be putting the badge onto the replacement bonnet. So yeah, it's quite simple. Can this be done with one-man job? Let's see. Now for the bonnet itself, it's got one solid bolt here and a slide out bolt here. So that means you just need to undo this bolt a little bit, and just so that the bonnet can stay in place, and this one here can come right off. That's when you need to get some muscle and hold the bonnet up and then pick it all the way out. It's basically going to slide it out. So yeah, what I suggest is you get something to prop the bonnet up, like on the side, maybe like a stick or something, just so that you can remove the shocks, because this is going to want to fall once you start taking it off. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to loosen up the bolts for now and then remove the shocks, and then we can take out the rest from there. So let's do that. Now with the bonnet removed, it was a one-person job to take off, but it is a two-person job to put back. So what I did was I transferred over the one slide bolt onto here, as well as onto the other side as well. That way when I get in hand, you can just slide this bonnet onto the car and lock it up after making the adjustments and whatnot. So we just wait for that. Now for the final touch. As you guys can see, the gaps and everything are all lined up perfectly. Maybe slight adjustments afterwards, but let's see how it plays out afterwards once everything is done. Main thing is it's not looking odd. Everything is even on this side, through the passenger side as well. Even up over here, it's the exact same, and it opens up as how you would expect it to. So I'll show you that now. Perfect. I will have to remove this undercover just to either get a new one or let this straighten out, because there is damage. But apart from that, it's perfect for now. Well, that's it for this video guys. I hope you found it informative. To remove the bonnet is quite easy. As you can see, it takes one person, but to put it on, it is a two-person job to get the bonnet aligned and everything. The worst thing you want is to get the bonnet through the windscreen, which is what my fear was. So anyway, I'm just going to leave this like this for now. Probably clean everything up off camera, and I might wrap it just so it matches the car for now. But until then, yeah, thank you so much for watching. If you did find this video informative, please give it a thumbs up, like the video, and subscribe if you're new. Leave your comments and feedback down below, and you'll know exactly what direction the car is going in. It's almost done, getting ready for the end of this year's season. But yeah, thank you so much for watching guys. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.